Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm bringing you this MTG DAO Airdrop. We are going to cover a little bit about the project. The token is not yet live. Basically this could sound like a meme coin, it's similar in some aspects, but this is a project that is backed by DAO Maker. DAO Maker is at position 213. So we are going to cover all that of this airdrop, how to participate like always, step by step with my tutorial, and I found some other participations that are not in the official page, so I think you are going to have more chances on this airdrop. And this airdrop is free to participate on some tasks, so if you don't have money right now for an airdrop, you can participate anyways. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, MTG is nearly about to launch the token. This could be in Q4 of 2022, so there's only 1 month and a little more than that. The total supply for this project it will be 1 billion. Initially, it will be at 36% of circulation supply with a market cap of 275,000. Basically, with this token, when you swap, a transaction of tokens go to participate in a lottery, and each transaction burns 1% of the token and sends 1% to the lottery pot, and each week 10 wallets will win the lottery. So basically, if you win the lottery, if there's a lot of transactions, you really can make money using this. But besides that, that is the only utility that this have right now before launching. So this could be considered like many of the other meme coin projects or similar to that. The thing that I was interested for me here, the MTG token has 15 followers right now, is that it's backed by DAO Maker, and this is a serious project right now at position 213. The token is already here and you can get it in many of the different centralized and decentralized exchanges. DAO Maker has 390,000 followers on Twitter. So this MTG project is launched on DAO Maker, so that gives me a little more confident about the team behind that MTG token and the possibilities that could have for the airdrop. So that will be my intro for this. It's not that I am super confident in the long term, but for the airdrop I really like it, what I'm seeing. So now let's go to the step by step. So first of all, you need to go to this link, daomaker.com/company/mtg. If you use this is my referral link. You will see in this video that the referral link will help you also, because in this case, using a referral link is a boost for you and for me. So please use the link of here on the post of the video. If you don't want to use it, no problem, just use the same link without this code at the end. So click here to the link. So you support the channel, and then we are going to need to log in or create an account there, but you can log in with Google or Twitter. And then we are going to connect our MetaMask using Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. I would recommend the last one because if you want to do transactions or something like that, it will be cheaper. But you can use Ethereum mainnet too. So let's go directly and do step 1, 2, and 3. So we go to the link, you can see that this is in daomaker.com. This is to participate on the MTG airdrop. So once you are here on the link, you need to sign up or log in. So click on login. I will click sign up with Twitter. So now you can see that I am already have an account here because I signed up with Twitter. You can use Twitter or Gmail. You don't need to submit your KYC document here, don't pay attention to that. Now let's go and connect wallet. I will use my MetaMask. Now that I'm connected with my wallet too, let's go here and click on vote. You will need to sign a transaction for that. Now you can see I have successful doing that transaction. And once you are doing that, you will be redirected to this page, which basically, if you go down a little bit here, you can see this. Increase your score to win bigger allocation. So this is your total score, 0.17 at this moment. And here are the tasks that you need to do. You can see that here. You will have a tag for refer links, you will have a tag for Twitter, MTG, another to follow DAO Maker. You need a visit research page that you can do each 6 hours and will give you 1 score. You will have a wallet score and stake DAO, and another task that I will mention. So here, the first one, refer score. Like I am using, guys, you can have a link with your referral that will help you to win a little more points on this score. Then you have the Twitter follow, so you just click on start challenge, connect your Twitter, for example, authorize the app, then click there, go and follow DAO Maker. Once you follow DAO Maker here, you will be done. You can see that this says Twitter followers are synced once every 15 minutes, so you need to wait 15 minutes and then you are going to see this as complete. This start challenge button, it will change to complete and you will get the points for the score here. You get 5 points for doing that. Then you can do the same with the other Twitter account. This is for MTG. So you do the same here, connect your Twitter and follow them. Then you can see this visit research page. So just click start challenge. You go to this page and you just visit this page. You can do this each 6 hours. So after you click the visit the page and you visit all this, you can go here again, community vote, click on vote. So you are redirect again into the part of the tasks. And you can see I have my 1 point visit here for visit the page. You can do this each 6 hours. Then wallet score 0.17. This is based on the total value that you held on that wallet. You are going to have some points on that. And then you have DAO power here. If you have DAO power, provides you additional score points. So you can stake DAO. In order to do that, you need to click there and buy some DAO. You go here to go to DAO swap. And here you can trade BUSD or another tokens for DAO tokens. Once you have that, you can stake that here in the website. You have here the option to stake. So you will put here the amount of stake that you want, how many days, and you will be able to stake there and you will see your stakes here. Once you have your stakes done, you come back to the link of the airdrop and then you will be able to see your points here. So doing this task, you get more scores here, and as much scores you have, more chances you have for the airdrop. And you have more information here on how works the refer link, how much it will give you, and when you share it. You also need to follow them on Twitter, that's part of the task. And this is the basic stuff that you can do to participate here. I have been digging more, I am in Discord and Telegram, so I have been seeing a couple of more stuff. You can see here on the Twitter account of MTG that they have the airdrop here. And just 2 hours ago, this is from yesterday when I record the video, if you join to Telegram and comment the sign of the airdrop, you can earn extra MTG airdrop points. So I also recommend you to go and follow them on Telegram. And in Telegram, doing that, you will get 2 more points. I already did that and work it. So there's some admin that will give you the points. And in Telegram, in the pinned messages, is called this. The pinned messages await you guys. All remember that to add MTG to your portfolio whitelist on CoinGecko, share a screenshot here for 5 points. MTG rewards every offer of a soldier. Now get the work, soldiers. So they put this comment here. So if you follow on the whitelist the token here on CoinGecko, so you need to come here, you need to sign up to the page and you will be able to click here on watch list. You are going to be able to get those tokens extra. You are going to be able to get those scores extra. And look guys, there are only 24 watch list people watching this. So not many people is aware of this MTG token airdrop. I really think not many people is going to participate neither. Even if they have this nice structure on how to participate, I think this would be a good airdrop to get in. You really don't need to pay anything, at least if you don't want to buy some DAO power and stake it to get more rewards. You can get all these points just for free, and you can visit this page each time. And also doing this Telegram stuff, you get more points, extra points, and there are more stuff happening in Telegram and Discord that the admins is going to give you more scores. So I think that you can really get a lot of scores at that point that will be translated into airdrop tokens, but we don't have any more information about that. Anyways guys, this is the video. It's super easy, and 0.5 and 6 and extra points because I am already doing this participation on the airdrop, so I saw this and was important because you have extra points doing this stuff, and it's free, doesn't cost you anything, it's really easy to do, so I would recommend you to get into this airdrop. So guys, that is all for the video. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notification. You need to follow me at CryptoState because there I post more information after I do a video about the airdrop. If some news came up about MTG, I will put a tweet with information. So I really recommend you to follow me at CryptoState. And also guys, like I mentioned before, I am working in an application that will make us easy to follow each of the tasks on each airdrop, and also you can use it in multiple wallets. So I think this application is not so complex. It's going to be really easy to use, but it will help us to follow that using my airdrop organizer and using also the application. You will be very comfortable doing the task on all the different airdrops. So guys, that is all for the video. Share this if you think that this has value, and I will see you in the next airdrop video. Bye guys.